What's up, everyone? It's your girl Kenzie here from Layton Sports Cards. Ripping a personal for Scott M. We've got a 2021 Bowman Draft Jumbo Box. All right, thank you as always, Scott. Good luck, and here we go. For 3 Chrome Prospect autos per box. Again, no paper ships out of this. Scott switching it up to some baseball. Like to see it. Empty. All right. Paper. Gonzato. Job anti Madden franchise futures. Bednar first refractor. Blaze Jordan refractor. Paper. We have a John Rhodes first. Aqua Lava out of 199. Orioles. We've got a auto next for the Orioles. A Connor Norby. Second baseman for the Orioles. Connor Norby. Nice back-to-back Orioles there for you, Scott. Murphy first refractor. Williams first refractor. Paper. Jackson Job. Henry Davis Genesis. Jordan Lawler first refractor. Nice. Jackson Job first refractor. What a pack. Paper. Nice ones there. We've got blue to 150 for the Indians. Jake Fox first. Lawler Chrome first. Cowser and Trimble. Selvage first refractor. Morales first refractor. Paper. Pull a super refractor. I will try. I have not yet out of this product. Cowser first Chrome. Draft Night, Joe Mack. Asa Lacy refractor. Alec Thomas refractor. Paper. We've got purple first. Adrian Del Castillo out of 250. Catcher for the D-backs. Nice purple there. It's color auto there for you, Scott. No pressure, yeah. Genesis Brady House. Refractor of Mason Miller first. Freddie Valdez. Paper. We've got Speckle, Freddie Valdez for the Red Sox. Brendan Beck first refractor. Goswin first refractor. Paper. We've got Sky Blue first, Michael Morales. We have here, out of 250, Refractor Genesis of Maddox Bruns. Walker refractor, Jeter Downs refractor, paper. We've got purple of 250 first, Harry Ford. There you go, nice one there, Scott. Nice purple paper. Purple People Eaters. Invicta, Sal Frelick, Invicta. Jackson Job, Genesis. Carter Jensen, refractor first. Chase Petty, first refractor. Nice. Nice back-to-back refractors there. Joe Mack. We've got a Jacob Steinmetz. Pitcher for the D-backs auto. Steinmetz. Yep, Zilla. Plenty of room. Montgomery and Hill. There is a bit of a queue currently, though. Preciado and Pineda refractors. Bit of a wait, though. If you want to put your name in, grab an order, I'll put you in a queue. A Henry Davis Bowman Draft Nights. De Castillo first, and JC Correa. All right, last pack here for you, Scott. Harry Ford Chrome. Jonas Botchman. Brennan Davis, and Austin Hendrick refractor and paper. All right, Scott, that'll do it for you. Thanks so much. Congrats on all those hits, and we'll be getting this right out to you.